I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a card from your Alpaca account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Alpaca app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the settings or account section where you can manage your payment methods. Look for a tab labeled payment methods or billing. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the payment methods section, you'll see a list of your linked cards. Click on the card you wish to remove. Step 4. Confirm removal. After selecting the card, look for an option to remove or delete it. You may need to confirm this action, so be sure to read any prompts carefully. Step 5. Check for success. Once you've removed the card, double-check the payment methods list to ensure it no longer appears. If it is still there, try refreshing the page. If you ran into any issues, make sure to check if the card is set as your primary payment method, as that can prevent removal. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your Alpaca account more easily.